Hello everyone. I had taken PTE academic training with Best PTE coaching in which Mr. Sandeep is the lead trainer. Before enrolling, I had done thorough online research about the PTE institutes in Hyderabad that can help me get a 79 plus score, and Sandeep's name came on the top of the list. True to my expectations, Sandeep has turned out to be the best PTE trainer. His wide experience and the research that he does to keep himself abreast about the current PTE updates, coupled with the personalized attention that he gives, helped me to get a straight score of 90 in all 4 skills in the very first attempt. His scientific techniques of HSP, Listening Pro and POA made PTE a breeze for me. I am very thankful to Sandeep and would recommend him to anyone interested in taking PTE academic. Thank you.
In our institute for any courses for 90 or at least 79.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, since I took this coaching in November last year, I had any doubts I used to come, so he never refused, and even after so much gap after taking the course, he is willing to help and he is also. So, and whenever I was asking them to give the backup class for any class which I am not comfortable with, they were ready to help me with that. Throughout the 6 months, whenever I used to ask any doubt, he used to help me.
No, it's our job.
I'm a doctor. Actually, I just want to tell you one thing. I'm married and I'm having kids, and I don't have much time to prepare. Like hardly maybe 1 hour to practice these templates or tests or anything. As you told, I have not completed all the questions like in my portal, but I completed those section-wise tests and mock tests. Mock test, those 10 tests I have given each test a day, 10 days before. Actually, in those practice tests only, I got good score when I used the template. Summarized written text was very easy. Yeah, and the class
time.
Also, you gave those example texts and all. So we practiced in the class also. And in that video also, after seeing 2-3 and practicing 2-3, I got good scores. Essay also, it really helped because I thought writing was a very difficult task because I gave IELTS twice before this PTE exam. I was struck with that 6.5 score in IELTS. But in this, because of your templates and all, writing is the easiest task.
Correct.
I didn't practice much. I just by-hearted that template you have
And it worked like magic. Okay. Summarize spoken text. How was it? Was it easy, tough?
Yeah, that's easy because of template again.
How do you rate our training, Indu? Do you recommend it to your closest friends or you don't?
Yeah, surely I recommend because of this templates and training only I got this score, no doubt about it. So I recommend this coaching completely to anyone who are writing.
Okay. Our practice portal, PTE practice portal with all the guides, with all the video explainers. Now we have more. We have been putting every week. Okay. Is it good? Is it bad?
Yeah, it's good actually. That's the main key thing for the whole exam. Practice is very important, and keeping those inputs which you have told in mind and practicing regularly helps to achieve good score.
We wish you all the success.
First, I want to say thank you. I wanted to, appreciate your guidance, your support, the portal, entire thing. It just helped me to score what I wanted to. Your tips and techniques, everything worked as I expected. It was a great help to me. Frankly speaking, I wasn't confident that I would be able to score even 70 plus. I was like, okay, for the first attempt, I will be maybe making 65 plus, and then maybe in the second or third attempt, it would be around 79 plus. I was shocked, I was surprised, I was happy. I wanted to first thank you. Just got the result, and then immediately I sent to your number. I wanted to thank you for the guidance. It was of extreme help to me. I mean, of course, there are like n number of YouTube videos and everything. I told to my husband why to pay, and because everything is there already. He said, no, no, no. I heard about Sandeep. You should go there, see, go to the demo class, learn from them. I think that's how we learn. I mean, that's how when I study, my teacher was like that. That's the same way. There's no difference. That's the same way. Okay, I can remember when you say type something in the. I can remember from that. So I'm so happy, Sandeep. I'm extremely thankful, grateful to you for your teaching and techniques. Everything worked, and I feel I've got some of the questions from the portal itself. I'm so happy. Thank you, Sandeep, again.
This is Rakesh Naraparaju. I'm a permanent resident of Australia since 2017. Currently working in an IT sector, which is my background basically. Yes, obviously it has changed my life, my lifestyle, everything has been changed completely now. With coming to the training, the PTE academic training with best PTE coaching, Sandeep, I would really thank him, and he's become one of my best mentors ever since I've joined PT. He gave me some wonderful tips where I was actually lagging. I can speak better English. I was right from the beginning. I'm into the English medium and stuff, but it's that doesn't give you that caliber to complete few exams, because you need some kind of a mentoring and training. That's what I believed as well. But I was actually so confident why I'm not getting 11 times, and I thought, okay, this time I need some mentor, and then I was able to get in touch with Sandeep. Probably that changed my life. But then every tip that he gave me, I followed it. Eagerness and interest to learn should be there from your side. Those tips and those mentoring can help you in achieving the PT, and I'm pretty sure Sandeep will lead it in that. I'm unconditionally, I can tell you that I've actually referred many people, and I would unconditionally refer even them in the future as well, because he's the gem in that. He will make you a better person. Thank you.
I'm Raghavendra Giri. I come from healthcare industry, and I opted to go and do some research in UK. So it happened that I have to write PTE examination. So I was just looking for some best institutes in Hyderabad, and after a lot of search and reviews on online, I came to know about best PT in SR Nagar. So I have just come here and I have attended one of the sessions. And even if you're good at English, some people may fail, so you need to know the techniques and all that. So main thing was I have come here, and even though I have 10 years experience in my healthcare industry, I was ITPS support leader for Southeast Asia, and still I was having a lot of anxiety whether I can crack, and especially I had only 6 days of time limit, whether I can crack it in 6 days or not. So I've come here, I've spoken to Sandeep sir, and I could get about, because best PT is thrice training partner, so I wanted to go with the one who can tell me in depth about PT. So after coming here, I was taken through the process, how the examination is done, and I got extensive training here in terms of speaking, listening, reading and writing. So that's how I could improve a lot of modules, and Sandeep sir has given me in-depth knowledge, like what are the techniques basically, apart from your knowledge, the way of speaking and all that, there are a lot of techniques, you may not realize until or unless you come to this institute and take one demo here. And I felt really, I'm telling this thing from my heart, because it helped me a lot. So most of them could not clear, my friends could not clear, but still I got a very good score in 6 days. So definitely I will recommend Best PT Center for anyone who's willing to get a high score. I'm not just talking that just general training, but if you're looking for immigration or for study, this is the best institute. Thank you.
Hello all, this is Ram Reddy. I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering in 2019. I would like to pursue masters in Australia. I had a great experience with Sandeep sir, and the portal also very well useful to me. And I did almost all mock tests in the portal. The portal is very useful for me, and the pattern is also very simple to me. The templates, all modules of templates, and timing is also very convenient. They provided very well lab facilities also with internet. I definitely recommend to other students achieve good band. In that purpose, I recommend it to other students. I got overall 65. I get around 78 in speaking session, writing 68, reading 66, reading also 70. Actually, I need only 58. It took only 20 days for it. Templates are very useful for me, especially the writing section and the describe image section and the retail lecture. These are too useful for me in speaking session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I am Mohammad Aslam Sharif. I have taken PTE coaching in Super Scores. I have taken PTE exam to apply for Australian permanent residence. Sandeep sir's coaching techniques is very helpful, very understandable, and helping me a lot while I was practicing. I took offline classes. Classes were very simple and understandable. I never seen a practice portal like this, which has thousands of practice questions and 10 mock tests and section-wise tests. There are many divisions while practicing. Super highly useful templates. Especially in describe image, only one template, it can cover any type of question. It is the easiest way to summarize spoken text template. Yes, I highly recommend everybody to please come and take. I even got help in PTE slot booking without any extra charges.
Actually, at the first class, I asked you, sir, I am from Telugu medium background. Will I get a 58 score like that? After rigorous practice and following your all the modules, because of that only it is possible. Firstly, it's your template, sir, and the way you explain, sir, each and every module with a clear manner, sir. And actually, you gave a study plan like practice these many modules for these many days. And practice collocations like that. Every module there is a separate template, and there are some tips are there for. We have to follow particular modules which contributes more score. For sure, sir. I will. Speaking 88, writing 70, sir. Reading 70, sir. 68, sir. Even following, my friend followed in other websites, like Alpha PTE, like other websites, he is not getting the marks. He already written the test, but he didn't get his desired score. Very good, sir. It is almost equal to the real one.